Guys, in the last video we learned about operator overloading. In this video we are going to see how to define operator function outside class function by using scope resolution operator, and also we are going to see how to override negative or minus operator. Now here, if you notice, this is from the last video, like the same code, and here we had a class called marks, and inside this one we have two integers. The first one is int mark. Int mark represents the internal mark and x mark represents the external mark. And after that we had a default constructor which initializes these two members. And also then we had this one. This is basically taking and initializing the members of our classes. And the next one is to just to print out, like to print the value stored in the member, right? And here we have overloaded the positive operator, and that's it. After that we are done, right? Now here we are going to see how we are going to input the negative operator. Now in order to do that one, first of all what we have to do is we have to declare the operator, negative operator, right? So in order to declare, we have to declare between this, like after this curly bracket close, we are going to declare the negative operator. So to declare negative operator, what we have to put here is marks operator, and this minus, we are declaring the minus, so we put the minus sign, and then mark m, right? And then after that we end this one with semicolon. Okay, then we had to overload this negative operator. It's going to be exactly same as positive operator, so I'm just going to copy this thing and paste after here, right? So I'm going to paste after here, and the only thing we are going to change here is going to be this positive sign. Every positive sign here I'm going to change it into negative, and that's going to give us the negative operator overloading. So here we are going to put negative, also here we are going to put negative, and also here we are going to put the negative, and this is marks, but we recall this marks right here, so this is going to be marks. Okay, and this 2 times, and that's it. We are done right here. Now let's to check whether it works. We are going to put something like, let's create another thing, another marks, and let's call that one M4. So I'm going to make sure whether the subtraction works right now, because we just overloaded the negative operator. It should probably working, right? So here we are going to put M2 minus M1, M2 minus M1. Okay, M2 minus M1, what should we expect is, in the when we had M1 plus M1, we noticed that this add with this 10 plus 30, that should give us 40, and this 20 plus 40, that should give us 60. And if it's M2 minus M1, we should get 30 minus 10, that's going to be 20, and 40 minus 20, again it should be 20. Now let's go ahead and execute this one, but I have to put the display for M4 too. This is M3 display, so I have to put M4 display. So this is going to be M4 display, and that's it. Now we can go ahead and execute this one. Okay, now let's go ahead and execute and see whether we get the answer. Oh, there are some mistakes. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is, I probably missed an S right here. Mark. Okay, this should be S, marks, right? Now let's see. M4 display. I should put a dot. Okay, now it should work. And if you notice, we expected this one. So this is the 10 plus 30, 40, 20 plus 40, 60, and 30 minus 10, that's going to be 20, and 40 minus 20, that's 20. So it means we successfully overloaded the negative operator, and that's how we do this kind of thing in C++ programming. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.